Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today I have something special that I am pretty excited about showing you. I'm doing a collab with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and TammyPowley from Peacecraft Dolls with TammyPowley. And the theme was to take a Blythe doll and do cats. Now it could be anything cats, anything they wanted to do. I got a little crazy because, gosh, I was having so much fun. I even did my itty bitty necklace. I was doing the other and I thought, oh, it's a little crooked there. Wait a minute, we don't want it crooked. There we go. I was doing the others and I thought, oh, why not? It was sitting there. This one just makes me think of Tom Jones in the '60s. What's New Pussycat? This is Gail, and I wanted to show off her face-up. I don't think I've shown this face-up before that I have done on her. I'm getting better. How's that? But I put her all in gold because it just reminded me, I had the pants, I had the shoes. The stand that Darren made, bless his heart, he makes the shoes too, was sitting here, and God love him, he was making some cat ear headbands, and he made it for the mini one, and mini, and he made it in the mini size in black, and I said, could you make one of those in gold? And I went with something a little different, so I can just hear Tom, whoa, that's not good. I can just hear Tom Jones singing What's New Pussycat. I got a kick out of my little Gail here. And this is Judy. And Judy is wearing a cat print. Uh-oh, stand up, Gail. Let me get her right. Ah.
You got it all twisty-tailed now.
Ah. Yeah, I do, don't I? Oh, sorry about that. Okay, Gail. Stand there and look like a 1960s James Bond girl.
Go-go model.
Go-go model, yeah. And Judy is in a little cat print outfit. And she has a little, I don't know if she's not happy or if she hasn't pooped in 4 days, but she's kind of got that look. And Darren made these adorable cat ear headbands. I painted the inside, not crazy about it, but, and then I made this little bag, and with the Blythe dolls, what I do is I add, let me see if I can pull this off real quick. Here, I can show you on this one. I hot glued the ribbon end, the inside of the bag, and then I split the ribbon and added Velcro and the hard side away from the doll, so that you could put that around a Blythe's neck. Judy has that look on her face because her daughter, Katt Von Blythe, who is crazy about cats, gave her that outfit. And while she's thrilled she gave her the outfit and everything, she's not as crazy about cats as Katt Von Blythe. I did this face up. I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. The outfit is that stretch pleather. The collar is supposed to be cat collar, complete with an itty bitty cat bell. This is her bag. And wait till you see this. I was sitting in the living room sewing a wire inside the same fabric when Darren came in with this. How do I, yeah, is that right?
You don't have it wrapped. That fabric's hard to get.
Yeah, I got to be careful with this fabric and get it on there correct. Wait till you see this. Oh, Darren, you put it on. It goes on around the waist, and it is a little tighter than the stand holder because you want that tail to stand up. He actually offered to make that for my mini, but I knew how much calculating would go into it, and I just told him no, just let that go. She has her beads. Her name is Katt Von Blythe. And these are from Let's Talk About It with Jamie. I just love it. I did a pumpkin and a 2021, October 2021, when she got a little face up. With the cat tail, she will stand in the stand. How cool is that? And I wanted to use this kind of doll, well, because I was going to do the face up. This is the cheaper Blythe, and I love them. I love these cheaper Blythes. They're fun, and when I start doing stuff on them, I'm not, well, okay, I am, but not as freaked out as doing it with the other. But that's not all I made for her. I haven't tried this on. I'm going to be honest with you. We got a little behind the gun. But let's see if I can get this on her just right. I put it on another doll that is like her because I didn't want to put it across her face up and mess her face up before the reveal in the video. I want to be careful because she has really long eyelashes, Catsy-like. Pull up. And here she is. Wait, let's get the tail back on. I didn't want to lay her down because I didn't want to break that little tail. Now let's see if I can do this. So here is my Katt Von Blythe, complete with her kitty computer bag, laptop bag, tail, and cat girl mask.
These are the less expensive AliExpress Blythe doll eyes, and they are, well, as you would expect, cheaply made, or made less expensively. These eyes here are not glued into the eyeballs, but these are solvent welded to the plastic eyeballs. Now what that means is you can't add acetone to remove them. If you do, it just softens the plastic eyeball here and it just makes a mess, and don't ask me how I know this. So when trying to take these apart, the first time around I took a knife and tried to cut it out, and all it does is it just breaks, and I had to chip and chip and chip and chip away little pieces, and that took forever. So this time around what I decided to do was to try what they call an end mill bit. When you use a regular drill bit, you'll notice that the drill bit is, just hold still, pointed. And when you go to drill in, the eyes here actually have a bit of a lip where the eyepieces set in to. And you cannot clean that out with a regular drill bit because of that angle. So I got an end mill bit that was exactly the diameter here of the eyepiece here. And what an end mill bit is it's like a drill bit, but it's perfectly flat, and it's for milling flat surfaces or perfect holes that have square edges at the bottom. But they do not mill the whole piece. You can see there's no metal cutting bits in the exact center. So what I had to do is I took these, I put a regular drill bit in my drill press, and I drilled out the center, drilled out the pupil all the way down so that the pupil piece came free. And then I used the end mill to come in here and set these, drill out the inner pieces, or the plastic pieces, and cleaned out the edges here. It's not perfect, it's really hard. My drill press has a little bit of wobble to it, so as I'm doing this by hand, the bit's kind of doing this to the plastic, but it turned out pretty good. I think it'll work out for Marna, and she's going to show you now how she's going to change these eyes.
I'm going to put the new eye chips in that I made. These I bought. I bought clear eye chips, and I put the fingernail stickers on. See how the tail got kind of funny? Now it kind of looks like an alligator or something. I don't know. Not crazy about those. And this tail got straightened out because it's such a tiny area. But I got the cats on there, and then I went over it with green nail polish, and I let that dry, and now I'm going to take a little bit of tacky glue on a toothpick, put that around the edge, and pop these in, making sure that when I do, I have them exactly, or as close to exact as I can get, so that they line up the same, rather than one going like this and the other like that. You want to make them as even as a pair of eyes as you can. Okay, so here are the eyes closed. I had a heck of a time getting her eyelashes out. I actually took a cup of water, put it in the microwave for 60 seconds, and dug and dug and dug at the ridge between the eyelids with a safety pin and a sewing pin. And then I put the little nail art on there, the little gold kitties, and the longer eyelashes. But here are the eyes that we put in. We have the regular green and the regular blue that you saw. And then, oh, I like it. I like the look of these rainbow eyes, pastel rainbow, and then her green kitty cat eyes. Thank you so much to Jay, Beth, and Tammy. I'm going to leave their links to their channels below, to their videos. Please go and see everyone, because these ladies are quite clever. I can only imagine. I can't wait to see what they have done. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.